Hello viewers, welcome to this video demo where I am going to show you how to install OpenCode VS Code extension and also install the CLI so that you will start developing using VS Code. If you go to OpenCode website, OpenCode is actually open source AI coding agent, guys. I have already shown you how to install it on your desktop. That is the desktop version. It is just like an alternative to Google Anti-Gravity, guys. But one good thing about OpenCode AI, based on my experience, is that it included free models. This free models is totally unlimited, guys. I have tried it. It is totally unlimited. That means you don't need to pay anything to start developing, guys. So I have tried it and it is working unlimited. You can use it 24 hours without limitation. I have tried it, guys. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to install it in VS Code and the CLI so that you will start developing immediately. To install it in VS Code, you click here that say free. If you go down, you are going to see OpenCode Terminal. I'm going to show you how to install it, or you can also follow the instruction here. Here you can see you can install OpenCode extension for VS Code, Cursor, Z, and any other IDE you have, guys. But for illustration purpose, we are going to use VS Code. You need to download and install VS Code. I'm using Windows, so you need to install for your version. So if you go to VS Code website here, guys, you can install VS Code for your platform. It is available for all the major operating systems. I've already downloaded and installed VS Code. You can also download Node.js, guys. Once you visit the Node website, you are going to see download. You can also download for your platform. I have already downloaded and installed Node.js. After successfully installing VS Code and Node.js, so the next step is to install the extension. Let me open VS Code, guys. So let me minimize this and open VS Code. This is the VS Code. To install the extension, you need to go to the extension section here. You just click extension, just search OpenCode AI. OpenCode AI. This one here, this one I have already installed it, guys. If it is the first time you open it, you are going to see install, just like any other one. You will see install here. So this is the one you need to install, guys. OpenCode VS Code extension. So just install this one. You can see prerequisite here, guys. This extension requires the OpenCode CLI. We are going to install it in the command line, guys. So you need to visit this website to see the installation instruction. Just open here, click open. So it is just going to open the OpenCode website. You can see the installation here. So we're going to use npm. I'm going to copy this command, npm install -g OpenCode AI. -g means you are installing it globally so that you can be able to access it anywhere in the command line. I copy the command, go back to VS Code. I'm going to open VS Code terminal, guys. You can just press the same command here and press enter. It is going to install. You can see it is installing. So I have already installed it before. It does change the package. Let's recap what we have done, guys. First of all, we install OpenCode extension for VS Code. So this is it here. And we install the CLI version. Okay, so those are the two things you need to install for you to start using the extension version, guys, in VS Code. Now that you have finished installing it, I'm going to close this and also minimize this. So we have the terminal, guys. So let's see the interface of OpenCode in CLI, guys. So to access the OpenCode, what you need to do in the terminal, just open your terminal in VS Code like this. Okay, you can access the terminal from here. Just click new terminal. You are going to open the terminal like this and type OpenCode. Just type OpenCode like this and press enter. You can see the interface of OpenCode in the terminal, guys. You can see it is right in the terminal. Here you can see ask anything. This is where you enter your prompt, guys. So your prompt goes here. Guys. This is where you type your prompt. Any application you want to build, you can imagine, you can just enter the prompt here and it will start building it. As simple as that. But before then, you can see the shortcut you need to use, guys. Ctrl T to change the variant. You can use the tab to change the agent, and you can also use Ctrl P to see the command or enter command. Let's see how the shortcut works, guys. Let me press Ctrl T. Ctrl T, you can see it is changing the variant to high. If I press it again, you see max, and if I press it again, it will return it to normal. And we also use the tab to change the agent. So let me press tab here. Okay, you can see it is changing to plan here. Press the tab key again, it is changing to build. Can also press Ctrl P to see the command. This is where you type your command. Okay, this is just the interface, guys. We're going to start from scratch and build a project, so you will see how to start using the CLI and the VS Code extension. Okay, it's time to start a project, guys. So I'm going to close the terminal so you will see how I'm starting, guys. I have this folder here. Okay, we are going to build event reminder. You can see this folder is totally empty, guys. I'm going to drag this empty folder into VS Code, guys. So just to open it in VS Code, I'm going to close this one. So you can see the folder event reminder is totally blank. This is the folder, it is totally empty. Now that I have empty folder open in VS Code, I'm going to open the terminal. You can access the terminal from here, new terminal. I just open it. Now I'm going to type OpenCode. Just like this, guys. OpenCode. Okay, you can see OpenCode CLI has opened, guys. I'm going to enter my prompt here. The prompt I'm going to give it is to build an event reminder. I've already generated my prompt using ChatGPT, guys, so I'm going to paste it here. Once you paste something from your clipboard, this is how it appears, guys. So it is already pasted. I'm going to press enter. So you can see it has expanded what I pasted. You can see it is working on it, guys. These are the prompt I give it, guys. Create a fully functional event reminder web app using pure HTML, CSS, and JavaScript only. No framework, no external libraries. The app must work on all modern devices and browsers. So this is the prompt, guys. So it is working on it. If you check here, guys, you can see thanking the user. It has created a spec.md. The spec.md is going to contain the instructions or the step it is going to take to build this application. It has created a to-do, how it is following to build this application, guys. You can see what is going on, guys. It is working on this project, working on the CSS, everything, building it from scratch, guys. You can also see the to-do on what it is doing right here. So you can see everything is working. It has created index.html. You can see it here, guys. So right now it is working on the CSS, guys. You can see it has finished working with style.css, and you can see it has created it here, guys. Right now it is working on the script.js. Okay, guys, you can see all the application, all the content it is creating, guys, and see everything live. You can see the app is fully offline, work on all devices, and store all data locally in the browser. It has finished building this application, guys. So now I need to launch this application. I need to select index.html. I'm using VS Code extension called Live Server, guys. I'm going to use a Live Server to open it. Just go to the extension and search for Live Server. This one here, guys, Live Server. You just install this one. Once you install it, then you can be able to use the Live Server to open it. You can also launch index.html direct and it will open in the browser. I'm going to right click on the HTML. So just right click like this and select open with live server. So it is opening. So okay, this is the app it built, guys. No reminder yet. You can see a beautiful UI, guys. It have different categories. You can add a reminder. You can see the beautiful UI and it is very responsive. You can see it is responsive, guys. It is responsive. You can see the calendar. Today's date is showing automatically here, 23rd of February, guys. How responsive it is. You can see it. Let's expand it. We can test it, add event. And reminder is going to be a birthday, guys. OC Tech birthday. Then the date is going to be, I'm going to use today's date, guys. So let me make it 8:35. Okay, I set the reminder 8:35. Category. You can see the background is white. We are going to ask OpenCode AI to update the background and the text color later on. So let me just select personal, repeat. You can see the text is not showing because it is white on white background. So I will just select never and click save. So we created a reminder, guys. We can edit it. We can also delete it. We need to update our app, guys. You can see from the drop down, the text is white on white. So white on white background unless you hover over it. We're going to update our application, guys. You can see the scroll bar. We need to update it as well. Let's go back to OpenCode. Let me update the application by typing a prompt. This is the simple update I just type here, guys. Type the scroll bar to match the app UI. Drop down list is showing white on white background. It is going to correct it. So let me just press enter. You can see it is thinking the user wants two fixes. Style the scroll bar to match the dark neon theme. Fix the drop down select list which has white text. So they start updating the app. So let's wait for it. So you can see the fees has been applied. Okay, so let's go back to our application, guys. Let me relaunch the application. Let me reload. You can see what we created is still there because it is storing in the local storage. So let's try to add a new reminder now. Add a reminder. Now if we go to the category, do you see all the text is now showing correctly, guys? Do you see it as styled? We can select the category. You can also select the repeat. You can see everything. You can add custom. Okay, you can add custom. Let me add another reminder. Let me add wedding. We just type John Doe and Jane Doe wedding. Let me just set date. Let me say 24th. The time is 9 a.m. Then the category, let's say family. Then repeat is going to be once. I will select never and save it. So it has been saved. Wedding event has been set, guys. And one good thing now, you can manage categories here. If you click on categories, you can add a new category, guys. So you can add a new category. For example, if you click add, okay, please enter a category name. If I enter a category like, let me say travel. So I just type travel as a category, add it. Let me close it. You can see a travel category has been added. I can sort this in based on category, guys. You can see the one personal is here. Let me add another event. Add it. We say go to London. You can add description. Description is optional. Okay, so if I like, I don't need to add description. I just type the title, which is required. So let me select a date. Category is going to be travel, guys. I'm going to select travel and the repeat, maybe say monthly, and select save. So if I view all the category, all the items, we have it here. I have my go to London event. You can see it is going to be monthly, guys. It is going to be monthly event. You can see under the category travel, I have go to London. I can manage the category, delete category, and close it. Filter, I can filter active. All of them are active right now. If I go to all now and mark this one completed, so I just mark this one completed, guys. If I go to the active now, you can see it is no longer there. Let me select completed. It is now showing under completed. Do you see the beautiful scroll bar, guys? Do you see it? Just with one prompt, you can build application, guys, and this application is fully working. We can view calendar. Do you see this calendar have event on 28? If I click on 28, it is now showing go to London. The event I have on 28 is go to London. So any date you have event is going to show here, guys. So is it not amazing? You can see just with one prompt, only one prompt, guys. So I hope with these examples and illustration, guys, you can be able to use OpenCode AI to build the application free of charge. Without limitation, you can build any application. If this video is helpful, guys, you can subscribe, like, and share it with your loved ones. Thank you for watching.